Hello, in this video I will show you how to watch local channels on Apple TV. So it's a very easy process. So firstly what you have to do is buy an over-the-air antenna suitable for your location, considering whether you need an indoor or outdoor antenna based on your proximity to the broadcasting tower. Once you have the antenna, you simply connect your antenna to the digital tuner that supports Apple TV. So examples are HD Home Run or Air TV. And make sure that the tuner is compatible with Apple TV as well. Then, simply follow the instruction provided by your digital tuner to connect it to your home network and set up your channels. Once you have done that, download the app for the digital tuner. So go to the App Store of your Apple TV, search for it and download the application associated with your digital tuner. Like for example, HD Home Run application. Once you have done that, open the application on your Apple TV, then follow the app instructions to scan for the available channels using your antenna and tuner setup. Once the scan is complete, you should see a list of available local channels. Select a channel to start watching live TV. So that's the first method that you can try. The second method is you can use streaming services. So choose any one of the streaming services like YouTube TV, Sling TV, Fubo TV or any other. So just simply sign up for streaming services of your choice. Make sure the service offers local channels in your area. And then just simply download the application for the streaming service and then subscribe to it. Then just simply sign into the application. After that, access the local channel by navigating to the application and find local channel or the guide section or search for the local channel directly. Then select a local channel to watch and start watching your live TV. So that is it. And if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.